Hey, come, let me tell you something. If you are a self-publisher on Amazon KDP, or you are still planning to join the team of self-publishers over there, just come. I have something for you. The message I have for you is that one book can change your life. I have been there for years, and I know that there are some things I can tell you to help you grow. Okay, more than 5 years now. And I have experienced success on the platform. The truth is this: the beginning may not be easy, but in as much as you are doing the right thing, you will get the results you need. In the year 2020, I had a book that, after being published, picked up in the third month. And that book kept on doing $250 every month till the next 6 months. At the point, the book started getting negative review and died off. Have published so many books before that kind of grace occurred. So I have some tips to give to you. So stay, relax, because you will get a lot. Then in 2021, another of my book in tech niche picked up. Till date that I'm talking to you, that book is still bringing me $350 every month. So if you are the type that say, Amazon KDP is not working, it still works, it still brings some money. Okay, I have over 35 books on the platform. So with this one that is bringing in massive money, join with the sales from other books of mine. I make a lot of money every month. Yes, I'm not a millionaire yet in USD, but it's giving me something great, okay, in return to add up, and I live my life as a Nigerian happily. So no matter the country you're watching this from, I have some tips for you on how to grow. One, what kind of book are you writing? Before you write a book, please make your research. And I have a free tool you can use for that, okay? A free tool. That free tool is your web browser. Open your web browser, put the browser in incognito mode or private mode. Visit Amazon.com, click on the menu section and select books. Okay? Once you make that selection, what you need to do is start typing the keyword you want to search for. For example, I can type Microsoft Office 365. As you're typing this keyword, if Amazon is suggesting some words to you in respect to that, in line with that, that means that that book has good sales potential. Yes. After searching Microsoft 365 for beginners or for seniors, or just Microsoft 365, then search for it. If it displays some search results, click on the top books. Okay? Check them if there are 2 or 3 books that are of ranking 120,000 overall. Know that that book is a good book to invest in. I don't know the niche you are into, but I'm giving you this tip. If as you're typing a particular keyword and there are no suggestions shown to you, please leave that. Don't waste your time. Just build on something that has worked over the years. Okay, that's why I'm using the example Microsoft 365 for you, because I know that some books in that niche sells very well. Number 2, niche down. If you want to get a book or write a book that one day will blow up and give you consistent money no matter how bad the market is. This book I'm talking about made me over $420 last month. Just imagine, just one single book. Okay? Number two, niche down. Don't go too wide. Okay? Instead of writing a book on Microsoft Office 365, just have title like Microsoft Office 365 for beginners or Microsoft Office 365 for seniors. So you know that you're targeting a specific group of people. Okay? So people that have not used the apps contained in Microsoft Office program, we don't say, okay, I'm a beginner, I can get this book. This will move them to do what? Get that book. So you see the tip. So it will help you make money and grow and be happy. It's always sad when you finish writing a book and nobody is buying it. You feel bad because you know what you have invested in, the time, the energy. So make your research and then niche down. Check the bestsellers rank of group of books in that group. If the bestsellers rank are more than 120,000, please leave that book. But if it's from 120,000 down, you know that it's something to invest in. Number three, ensure that as you're publishing your book, fill those 7 boxes. The back-end keyword section. Don't play with it. Don't joke with it. Don't behave like me when I started newly. Yes, when I started newly, Amazon will tell you these 7 boxes are optional, so you can leave them. But please pay attention to that. Fill that section with related keywords that people are likely to search in respect to your book. Take for example, I have a book on Microsoft 365 for Beginners 2024. The back-end keywords can be how to use Excel, how to use Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Word for seniors, or Microsoft Word for beginners, how to use presentation, okay? How to use PowerPoint presentation, how to use OneNote, or OneNote for beginners. So find some keywords that you know that people are likely to search for in respect to the book you are publishing and fill it there. So somebody may not just come and type Microsoft 365 for beginners, but type something on Microsoft Word. Your book will pop up. Very important. Okay? Another tip you have to take is this. Any book you're writing, please don't forget to fill the subtitle section. It still ranks. It helps your book to rank. So in this title I'm talking about, I'm using in this video Microsoft Office 365 for beginners. The subtitle can be a guide with illustrations on how to use Microsoft Word, OneNote, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Team, and some other applications that are contained in that book. Okay, you see, I'm giving you an idea. So with this, if you do it right, you will do what? Make money. Then another one is use a pen name. Please don't go there and start using any name that is hard for people in US markets or UK markets to be able to pronounce. You will fail. Yes. Don't go there, please. So use a white pen name or a name that is answered by Americans or people from United Kingdom. Something like they can easily understand. That will make you and them to be on the same page. Okay? After that, as you publish a book under that pen name, if, for example, your book you're publishing is a tech book, build other books around that niche. Yes, so that once one of the books pick up and start selling very well and start bringing you the money you want, others in that same pen name will do what? Pick up. Create author's page. Okay? Create author's page where you link all the books under that particular pen name so that you grow your money, so that you make more money, so that you become happy as a writer. Okay? And the last point is keep publishing. Get that into your score. Keep publishing. Do not just publish one book and then leave and say that this is not working. No. I have published over 20 books before this book that hits it. that every month brings me over $350. Okay, if you give up, then who lose? You lose. So in as much as that book, the books you are writing have good sales potentials, keep on publishing. Don't give up. One day, Amazon algorithm will pick it and you'll be happy that you never quitted. So as you keep publishing, you have more potential to make more money. Your books will have more potential to sell. From the sale from this book, from the sales to the other book, add everything up, you make good money. $1,000, 1,500, up to $2,000 in just 1 month. Okay? Even if you're short, maybe you can arrive at $800, $700 on monthly basis. It's something. You grow your community, you grow your brand until you get to that book that shows you love, until you get to that book that brings you the money. Listen, this book I'm talking about, I didn't even run any advertisement on it. It just pick up naturally. So you mustn't run ads to sell books, though it helps if you want to do that. But if you cannot afford Amazon ads, please capitalize on what works and apply these tips I explain here. Once you apply the tips, you will make money. One day, Amazon algorithm will pick one of your books and broadcast it to the entire world, broadcast it to the entire England, broadcast it to the entire UK, and broadcast it to the entire people in the United States that are in your niche, okay, that want to read a book in that particular niche, and you will make money. So, keep grinding, keep pushing, keep publishing some books. You can even get to a point whereby you start dreaming. As you are dreaming, you are writing books inside the tree. So that means at that point, come on, that is in your mind and you will make good money. So that's all I have for you. Never give up. Keep pushing, okay? These tips on Amazon KDP will help you go far in life. Thank you. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education for people that want to create content on YouTube and make money from that end. So, subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Hit that like button so that this video will be broadcasted to more people that are interested in it by YouTube. Just the like button, okay? It's okay for me. And leave a comment if you have additional tips on how to keep publishing to get that book that will make a difference in somebody's life. Just drop that in the comment section. I'll look at it and I'll respond. Your ideas, your intelligence, and your contribution matters in this global world called internet, okay? And I know your idea can help somebody. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. God bless you and see you some other time. Keep pushing.